Hey everyone, tired of fumbling for keys in the dark? Or maybe you just want that sleek, keyless upgrade for your home. Installing a smart lock is a game changer for homeowners and landlords alike. Today on Sure Lock & Key, we're walking you through the essentials of installing a Schlage Keypad lock, plus the pro tips you need to avoid common mistakes. So, is it hard? Not if you're prepared. Step 1. Prep the door. Remove your old deadbolt. Ensure the hole is clear and the door edge is prepped. Step 2. Install the bolt. Slide the new bolt in. Crucial tip. Make sure the word top on the bolt actually faces up or the lock won't function. Step 3. Connect and secure. Place the keypad on the outside, thread the cable under the bolt, connect the wires to the inside assembly and screw it together. Step 4. Test it. Always test the lock with the door open first to ensure the bolt extends smoothly without binding. DIY is great, but door alignment is tricky. If you have to push or pull your door to get the lock to latch, the electronic mechanism will fail quickly. If the hardware feels loose or the programming won't take, don't force it. That's where Sure Lock & Key comes in. We ensure your smart lock is aligned perfectly for long-term security. Ready to upgrade but don't have the time to install? Sure Lock & Key is here to help. Give us a call or visit our guide for professional assistance. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more security guides. Stay safe and secure.